going to the port of Dangay, no, in Rojas. It's Rojas in Oriental Mindoro, not Rojas in Panay. So we're still navigating this winding na mga roads, no overtaking. So we still have more than an hour. Tingin pa kami kung makakuha kami ng ano to. Kahabol kami ng ferry to Katiklan. There's somebody snoring here. Malakas na snore. And we're using yung Oppo. So yung S24 kasi may stabilizer siya. Tingnan natin kung ano yung resulta nito. It's really stable ba? We reach Port of Calapan kanina, no? Past 11. Ikot pa kami sa Calapan, fueling, then we have sa provincial at saka city hall of Calapan some quick pictorials. Then ito yung takbo ng rota. Let's see. No, kung may masakyan pa kaming ferry going to Katiklan to from Rojas, Katiklan to Katiklan to take mga 4 hours pa biyahe. Yung problem dito sa yung mga mountain na roads kasi matagal ka nakasunod palagi, na because na overtaking doon, may opportunity to overtake. So yun, makaabot tayo. It's just one of those ng mga windows for overtaking kasi mostly nakalagay dito na sila lang ano yung mag-overtake kasi nawala yung Avanza kanina na sinusundan natin because nag-overtake siya, but sa unahan nandiyan lang yan dyan. Let's see if the Avanza is still there. Lalim na.